Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about our next topic, that is the seminar method. Seminar is a teaching technique for higher learning. A specific subject or topic is delivered as an article or report in the seminar. The article and its concepts submitted in the seminar are analyzed and discussed through group discussion to arrive a final decision or concept. And the aim and objectives of the seminar method. Seminar method is utilized to realize the higher objectives of cognitive and affective domains. Cognitive domains या cognitive objectives to develop the higher cognitive abilities. To develop the ability of responding in this manner would involve higher cognitive action. To develop the ability of keen observation of experience, feelings, and to develop the ability to seek clarification and defend the idea of other effectively. These are the objectives of the cognitive objectives. Now the affective objectives: to develop the feeling of tolerance to the opposite ideas of others, to develop the feeling of cooperation with other colleagues and respect of the idea and feeling of others, to develop the emotional ability among the participants of the seminar, to acquire the good manner of putting question and answering the question of others effectively. The human interaction under this technique develop the good manner and skill among the participants, provide a good learning and scholastic experience to the participant of the seminar. What are the prerequisites, a basic principle to be included in the seminar? The seminar method depends with the lingual, social and emotional instances and its maturity level. Complex and undefined concept या article must be read and discussed for the meaningful learning experience and new concepts. Group discussion is emphasized. The kernel of seminar is stress. The value and success of seminar depend on the path of the learner and their learning experience through the discussion. The learner can advocate and interact in group discussion with his experience and concept derived. Both the group and the learner can transform their ideas and to drive a new conclusion also be anticipated. In the lower level of learning experience, the concepts are explanatory, but in this higher level of learning experience, the theme or concept centered and need more evidence and explanation through the discussion. The interactions in this method develop observation and questioning skills, evaluation skills using their own learning experience. Now the advantages of the seminar method: it provides motivation and the report, stimulate the active participation and permit the adaptive instructions. There are some disadvantages of this method also. It requires highly competent instructors, poses evaluation problems, and is more costly than other methods. This is all about the seminar method, definition, principles, advantage, disadvantage. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.